Hey everyone, here with a new little recipe trying out. Now, as if you've seen some of my other videos, you know I'm a fan of the pasta zero. I want to do a little bit something different today. So I saw this recipe from Keto Craig, ketocraig.com. Follow him on TikTok or Instagram. And what he essentially did was he took some tomato and in a dish with some feta cheese, and then of course put some oil on that along with some seasoning. And then once it starts to brown on the top, so I'm going to show you what mine looks like now that it's out of the oven. So here we are. All right, so now we're just going to take my little handy dandy Snoopy spatula here, and we're going to stir this up. Just going to kind of mash our tomato in along with our feta cheese. And I used just some Italian seasoning along with some pepper, a little bit of garlic powder. I will probably add a little bit more to that because I like mine to have a little more kick. I think in Craig's video he also does some pepper, some cracked pepper, which I do not have because I do not have a fancy kitchen. All right, look at that. All right, that looks pretty good. I'm gonna take my pasta zero. I'm actually going to use 2 bags today, make it kind of a fuller dish. I'm going to mix this in. As you guys know, the pasta zero, only like 5 grams of carbs in the whole thing, and then of course, 20 calories for a whole bag. So this is just a really great meal. All right, I'm gonna push that in. And I'm actually going to top this. I'm gonna stir that up, and I'm actually gonna top it with a little bit of, I'm gonna top it with some Parmesan cheese. Look at that. So again, just some tomatoes. I'm actually put that in the tomato and the feta in the oven for about 30 minutes just to let that brown on the top. And I'm going to get a nice bit here. Let's do a little taste test. The tomato has such a really nice flavor, really nice flavor along with the feta. I'm gonna add a little more. I'm gonna make mine a little spicier, add some more pepper onto it. But pasta zero, check out Keto Craig. He's got some really cool recipes there, and this dish is definitely a winner. Enjoy.